This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Messenger now and signing into the exact account that might hold the message. Once signed in, tap the search bar at the top, type the sender's name or a unique keyword from the conversation. Also, check archived and message requests. Many lost threads are moved there automatically. Make sure to look at filtered messages too, because Facebook hides some chats. If you're on mobile, use the profile menu to access archived conversations immediately so you don't waste time. Once you've scanned obvious folders, perform a deep search using exact phrases, date ranges, emoji characters, or attachment types to narrow results. If that doesn't find it, request your Facebook data. Go to Settings, your Facebook information, download your information, select Messages Only, request a file, and wait for the archive. Also, check other devices and linked accounts. Unsynced apps or a secondary email login can make conversations appear missing. Make sure to use matching spellings and time filters when searching. When you find the message, restore it by reopening the archived thread or extracting the chat from your downloaded archive and saving important content. Once done, verify with the sender or check backups on alternate devices to confirm the thread is intact. If you still can't find messages, clear the app cache, update Messenger, and force a resync. These fixes resolve many visibility bugs. And if everything fails, contact Facebook support or use the Help Center. Explain device, account, and approximate message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.